Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering the right inputs and moving immediately into analysis. First, form a focused 4-6-person team and assign roles: facilitator, recorder, timekeeper. Next, pull 3-5 concrete data sources: sales trends, customer feedback, competitor benchmarks, recent P&L highlights, so evaluation is evidence-based. Once done, draw your 2x2 matrix and label quadrants for internal versus external factors. Make sure to set a time horizon and a decision objective. This keeps the session targeted and prevents wandering. Now you dive into evaluation and synthesis. Start by listing specific strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, then score each one on impact and likelihood using a 1-5 scale so comparisons are objective. Once scored, map how strengths enable opportunities and how weaknesses expose you to threats. This reveals leverage points and vulnerabilities. Next, prioritize by combined score and pick top 3 strategic priorities. Finally, allocate actions into 90-day, 12-month, and longer-term buckets, so execution has clear timing and ownership. You close the loop by turning plans into accountable execution. Assign an owner, deadline, and 3 KPIs to each priority. Document a simple RASI and start weekly check-ins for the first 8-12 weeks. Use dashboards and monthly reviews to measure momentum and spot variance quickly. If a project stalls, stop and run a 30-minute root cause check. Verify the data, assess resource gaps, confirm stakeholder alignment, and test whether the goal was overambitious. Then recalibrate timelines and commitments before continuing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.